Need to lead your business to success? Trying to stand out from the crowd? You're not alone. You need a marketing plan PowerPoint presentation to move your business forward. By sharing your ideas with PowerPoint, you can inspire others to join your journey. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to make pro marketing plan PowerPoint PPT presentations. As you think about how to create a marketing plan, you may wonder where to start. Your best bet is Envato Elements. If you're creating a PowerPoint marketing plan, you should be using premium templates. Elements has thousands, all part of an unbeatable offer, which is unlimited downloads. That's right, for a flat monthly rate, you can try as many marketing plan templates as you want. Plus, Elements has other content included, like stock photos, fonts, music, and more. For this tutorial, I'm using the marketing plan PowerPoint template from Envato Elements. I've already downloaded it, and I have it opened in PowerPoint as you can see here. This template includes 36 custom slides, and it's a great way to build a marketing plan fast. Your marketing plan PowerPoint should focus on the key details that make your firm special. That means you always need to establish your strategy. The strategy sets your direction. It's your ultimate goal. Scrolling through the layouts here, let's settle on slide 6. I like this one because it offers plenty of room for both text and photos. In a marketing plan, your strategy should be simple. Ideally, it should be described in just a sentence or two. Over here on the left, you can outline your marketing strategy and share it with the world. To get started, click into a text box as you're seeing me do here. With the text inside selected, it's easy to begin typing in your own words. Watch as the placeholder text disappears, replaced by the content you're adding. Text is easy to customize in marketing plan PowerPoint templates. I'll repeat those same steps, adding my own strategy text to the slide. Flashing forward, you'll see the end result, a beautiful custom marketing plan strategy slide design. All that's missing is an image. Notice this empty space here on the right. That's an image placeholder. Basically, the space here is reserved for a photo, and when you add one, PowerPoint will fit it right onto the slide. To add an image to a marketing plan slide, find an image stored on your computer. Then you can drag and drop it over the placeholder like you're seeing me do here. Release your cursor and PowerPoint will add the image. These are the basic techniques that bring marketing plan PowerPoint presentations to life. With a template like this one from Envato Elements, you can simply swap out the placeholder content with your own to bring your strategy and tactics to life. Let's explore more examples. You need to evaluate your competitive landscape. The classic technique is a SWOT analysis, which explores strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It helps you understand where your firm is positioned in the broader market. From this, you can find opportunities for growth. Slide 11 here is a great SWOT layout that I can customize simply by changing out the text like we did earlier. A SWOT is the perfect baseline to build your tactics. On slide 7, you can set your tactics. These are different from your strategy, but they're a part of that. Think of a strategy as an overall guiding principle. Tactics are the things you do to bring that strategy to life. Here, you can see this infographic presented as a vertical design. This slide is great to really tell your story and outline your marketing plan tactics. Jumping forward again, you'll see how this slide looks with key details filled in. Want to add new style to your marketing plan PPT? Custom fonts are the answer. Once again, Envato Elements has you covered. Gone are the days when you have to use boring, default fonts in your marketing plan presentations. As an Elements subscriber, you can download thousands of custom fonts. These bring new life to your slides with unforgettable style. Join today and explore the vast array of options. Back on the template, let's look at more slide designs. As part of your marketing plan, you need to track critical details. That includes your target and metrics, budget, target markets, and more. Slides like these highlight those important details and tell your audience how you plan to hit milestones. Metrics are key measures of success and might represent values like user growth, sales increases, and more. Budgets help you track the tactical spending required to meet the strategy. Target markets tell audience where your operations are focused. As you can see, I'm moving through previews here to show how the finished slides will look. These are tactical elements that combine to form the overarching strategy. Be specific with each of these. Generic plans don't inspire. Details are essential. When you've established these key details, you can focus on them with a look at growth steps. Growth steps are the key tactical moves you're making to fit your strategy. Remember, marketing plans are evolving and should be kept up to date. Using slide 28, you can build a mobile-focused marketing plan. The world's shifting to a global, mobile-first landscape not seen years ago, and it's important to reflect that in your marketing plan. There are mobile strategies outlined here. Notice the beautiful device mockups on the left that really bring the ideas to the real world. Last but not least, you need to close strong. A marketing plan needs to inspire an audience, and yours is no different. It's best here to restate your strategy's purpose while giving specific objectives and clear ways to measure success. This final slide is easy to transform to fit the purpose. Be sure you leave some time for questions as well. This is the perfect way to remain engaged with your audience throughout your marketing presentation. That's all it takes. In moments, you can build an amazing marketing plan PowerPoint presentation. Use it to inspire future customers, clients, and more. The best way to start is with a marketing plan PowerPoint template from Envato Elements. With thousands of options, you're sure to find one that's just right for your business. Check out the content library and join today. Before you go, don't forget to like this video. Then subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There you'll find tutorials, content roundups, and so much more. As a creative, you can't afford to miss out. I'm Andrew Childers for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks again for watching.